After winning Game 1, the Bucks want to take both games at home. Giannis and Dame played quite well again, with Giannis scoring 23 and 7 boards, and Dame scoring an efficient 30-piece. But Milwaukee and in the previous the Boston Celtics haven't found a solution for the biggest problem, Koa Grant. During the 2026 playoff, Koa has scored 36, 61, 42, 37, 43, and in Game 1 versus Milwaukee he put up 48 points. He's shooting over 57% from the field, over 46% from 3 and 95% from the line. Going into Game 2, the NBA world tuned into the game, with the question if Koa can continue his ridiculous scoring streak, and if it would lead to a Game 2 Raptors win.
They're looking for a way to score here. Yeah, they've had a tough time getting the lid off the basket so far.
And just under 2.5 minutes elapsed here in the first.
Boy, the fifth.
Grant. From downtown. And the Raptors hit again from deep.
They're getting a bunch of their points.
Now, here's Grant. A finger roll finish at the bucket. 10 points for him.
Couldn't punish them for it.
Fires from deep. And again, Toronto with the triple. There's a good screen.
The defender a little hesitant.
12 points for him. And the officials whistle a foul on the shot. And a big free throw there to put him on top.
Obviously, they're evenly matched teams on the inside. The rebound numbers are very even.
From downtown. That's good.
Excellent ball.
You got to find something, you're right. Played in with a nice touch off the glass.
Boy, he made...
Again, Toronto. Johnson outside. Pass to Grant. It's going to be a goaltending call here, so they'll count the Bucks. Back to Grant. Lays it up and banks it in. They got on the... Shot clock at 6. Pulls it from the elbow. Green for 2 points. 5 on the clock. Takes it into the teeth of the D and converts the layup. 6 to shoot. The 3. And the shot is good. He's got 31.
I don't think
Johnson. Stolen by Grant. He's got a clear path. Plays it in off the breakaway.
What a top.
Now, here's Grant. Goes up on the wing. Good on the jump shot. 37 points for him. Pulls up on the wing. Good. He's got 39. Here's Luke. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Again, Toronto.
He's doing it all for them right now.
And all around the rim net. Back to Grant. Here's the 3. Good on the shot.
He's putting on a commanding...
First one falls for him. And Grant drops them both. Clock at 6. Solid shot from the distance of about 14 feet. Now, here's Grant. And it goes as the official calls the foul. Count it. He'll shoot one more at the free throw line. The free throw drops for Grant.
This is a positive trend for him.
Goose ends the game with 53 points and 4 assists to his name, while shooting 67% from the field. He went of in the fourth, and led Toronto to a series tie. Going into Game 3 and 4 at home, Goose wants to win both games to make his first conference finals appearance almost certainly happen.